live in a dream.
Off to a ramen club.
I live in a dream. We live in a dream.
We are going to take a matcha break dahil naman nandito kami sa Japan. Might as well kung saan nag-originate ang matcha.
This was recommended by Japanese Thai friend.
Kung alam niyo lang ang naaamoy ko, I think Hojika. It's a kind of matcha that is lighter.
Wala, yung pinag-aanohan namin ni ano yan.
Hojika.
Matcha pala yung Hojika latte. Kami ni JM. Kung napanood mo yung vlog.
Pero dahil nag-usap yung mga hindi marurunong. Sorry naman, JM. O ano pinag-usapan niyo about Hojika latte?
Sabi ko ano siya, soya. Si JM sabi niya tea. Mas tama pala si JM.
It's a tea. Probably kaya baka naging soya. Baka ang nilagay na milk, it's a soya milk. Japanese love matcha. Yeah, genuinely.
Yeah. How about Philippines?
In the Philippines, I think Filipinos are getting into matcha. Yeah, because, you know, coffee is very strong, getting acidic, and matcha has a lot of health benefits. So, it's getting popular. I even tried attending matcha workshop. The traditional, yes. So,
In Philippines.
yes.
Oh,
Because I love
Philippines?
matcha. Yeah, may
I
lang
attended
certificate.
Japan. You have certificate?
Yeah, I have certificate.
I didn't know that.
She didn't know because we have separate house.
Oh, you live in the... You love Japan? You love Japan?
Of course, she loves the guy. And that she loves Japan. How can you not love Japan?
Maybe that's their first year.
Oh.
Now it's opposite. 揺らさないとなかなかお茶が出てこないので揺らしてください。お願いします。
Gozaimasu.
おはよう。はい。こんにちは。こんにちは。
I love what I'm seeing.
She's so happy.
See, everything matcha. You know, I want to go to Kyoto. Kyoto is
yeah,
the
it's
Uji
famous
type,
for-
right?
yeah.
The plantation, actually.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
you really
You know
know that?
that.
Yeah. You really love matcha.
I love Japan.
Yes, Japan.
I love Japan. I want to order everything.
Oh no.
So happy. This mochi. This one medley. This one I like. Summer only. Matcha ice cream. We ordered this and this and this. What I'm going to do is like this.
Matcha.
Very nice.
Thank you for this.
Thank you.
For the recommendation.
Is this like popular place, right?
Yes,
And-
this place is new, but the shop is not new.
I see. Guys, this is matcha noodles.
Sarap guys. Ang sarap dito. Hindi ko in-expect. I was expecting yung traditional Japanese na medyo ano.
Ito kasi, yung meron ng touch of modern. I really recommended this place. The name is Nakamura Tokichi. Sobrang nice ng kanilang mga matcha food. Dessert, noodles.
Ano yung sarap talaga. Promise.
Kulit mo eh. Kulit mo ka na. Kulit mo eh. Yeah.
Sarap mo.
Yeah, ito yung medyo.
Sarap din ng cream. Hindi ko na like cream.
You live in Germany or you were born in Germany?
My just met in
Met
there
there.
and
They're already
in
here.
Yeah.
How many siblings you have?
I have my sister, older sister.
It's so nice to live
My only
here.
daughter.
Oh,
But she's times 3.
Oh, really?
But the mom is times 3.
She's my daughter.
Oh.
She is so mature than me.
Yes.
And sometimes she is really good than me. I wonder why.
Good daughter.
You look like a friend.
Yeah, I know.
Not
like a
mom
best
and
friend.
brother.
Yeah.
That's me.
I just hope also that I look young. Like
Yes,
her.
she's young.
They're just telling you that.
Oh, they're not liars. They're friends.
So 20 minutes is far for me.
How are you?
Bangkok is so traffic. More than Philippines.
Right. Be careful. If you have some schedule, maybe you have to concentrate about train line.
Trend.
It's better than taxi.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
For job, I mean for job.
Yeah.
Because cannot control time.
True.
Yes.
That's why in Bangkok, many of my friends go to work with a motorcycle. There's
Yeah.
somebody, you pick them up, and
Yeah.
then they ride the motorcycle.
Yes. Yes.
I want to live here. Maybe hire me.
I'm gonna ask my boss.
So when they hire you, they also hire me because I'm gonna join. Heidi, send me
Maybe-
send package.
Maybe I'm your assistant.
Oh, assistant.
If you need
and
assistant, you hire me, okay?
Oh, sure. I'm gonna ask boss today.
In your office, like it's a multicultural, like many race. You have Thai.
Yeah, yes. Have many countries. Yes, mixed.
No Philippines?
Yes.
You have
Philippines?
No. Because the last Philippine is so.
with left.
Taniyama.
And yeah, Taniyama, yes, yes.
It's the last one.
The last one
Yes,
is
of
Filipino.
Filipino.
The next one is Hazel.
It's about time you
Yeah,
hire
a new
her.
Philippine. Wow. We need someone speak Tagalog.
That's me.
Yeah.
I will
you
study Japanese now.
Oh, you do?
So just one semester.
Oh, wow.
I forgot. I only remember Hajime Master.
Hajime.
Hazel to Moshima.
Oh, wow. That's good.
Of course, because I live in Japan more than 10 years, but still difficult for me.
Junana Saides.
We don't
I'm not Junana.
How old are you?
27.
27? Niju.
Nijunana. Nijunana. Not Junana.
You do say Junana is 17.
Junana Saides.
17.
I'm 25. It's really young. Yeah. Just 2 years.
But she looks like 17.
Yeah, I
Yun
know.
na.
I know. I thought you were 17. The first time you said, oh, okay,
yeah.
it's 17. You look so younger. You both look so younger.
You too.
Nakakatuwa because we have 2 new friends.
Japanese
Yes,
and Thai.
Japanese and Thai. Tuwa. Di ba minsan nakakatuwa magkaroon ka ng mga kaibigan na locals din. Ang dami namin napagkwentuhan, ang dami namin napagtanungan, ang dami namin na-discover.
Oh! What are these?
Eto na naman sila. Kami po ay sumisilong, hindi kami makalakad ng dire-diretso. Ang taas ng araw. At ang mga tao ay nakapayong. Sa tulang, ayan o.
Oh, maraming nakapal.
Let's go! Mainit guys. Yung init masakit sa balat. Weather is 35 degrees Celsius, syempre. Back at our hotel.
Nasaan yung hotel keys?
It's with me. So, magtatanong ng hotel reco dito sa Ginza. Dito po kami nakabook. Hotel News. And Malitayo Beach, 902. On the other side of the fence. O, diba? Ganyan talaga. Lagi kong sinasabi, when you get lost, you will find yourself at the wrong location. Charot. Yun na nga. So, ito guys, ang hotel namin is Hotel News, Ginza Meitetsu. Walking distance lang sa Ganapsis. Mommy Heidi's work is done. When the work is done, you deserve some reward. Reward! Bibili ako ng Onitsuka. Although, hindi ko naman kailangan dahil ang dami kong rubber shoes.
Kaya
Pero,
nga. Oh my God. Huwag ka na bumili pag di yung kailangan.
Bakit ikaw, ang dami mong pabango, bili ka pa ng bili. Sabay-sabay mo magagamit yun.
Biniling ko ito, pabango mo yung isa din.
Uy. Kaya dapat si Hazel, pag nag-o-offer talaga guys, susunggaban mo eh. Kasi may season lang siya. Hindi laging nag-o-offer. Nagkamali lang ako talaga nung December 2022. Bibilan niya ako ng Chanel 19. Inawat-awat ko pa. Diba, ready ka nang din, no? Chanel 19, tapos yung isa pa eh. Yung LV, pinipili mo ko. Yung, ano pangalan nun?
Kapusin.
Kapusin. Pahinga lang. Tapos, we're going to Shibuya. Ito yung damit ko na I bought sa H&M. Ginamit ko nga kaninang shoot. Ganyan lang. Simple lang. Tapos hanggang knee length. Pero ang maming yung malaki ang tiyan. Pasensyahan nyo na.
Did you enjoy the food, everything in Osaka?
Yeah, Dotonbori.
What kind of food?
I like sukiyaki.
Oh, you like sukiyaki.
Sukiyaki.
Wow.
Tokyo Station? Ikot sa area. Sana naman
Maging successful ang aming dinner.
ito na sana yun.
Ramen. Nakikita mo, noodles. Ayan o. Nice. May anghang din. Going to our ramen class. Hindi na kami makaka-breakfast. So, in our 4 days of stay, 2 beses lang namin nakuha yung breakfast. Yun lang yung sasabi ko, hindi kasi pwedeng piliin mo lang eh. Kuwari, nag-stay ka 7 days, tapos gusto mo 2 lang. Hindi ganun eh. Entire stay yung babayaran mo. So, we're off to our ramen class. Pero hindi kami nga naka-breakfast sa hotel. But I had my leftover konbini last night. While here, kasi naman hindi makain, maiwan. Sarap.
Wala akong water.
Well, I have. Let's go to. Bibili ako ng ganito mamaya sa mga convenience store. Uwi ko sa bahay.
Hindi ako ramen.
Ay, uusa ka uso na ramen.
Baka sabihin nila, anong klaseng suot meron kay Hazel? T-shirt to ni Mami, guys. Wala akong extra damit.
Wala siyang extra damit. As in, sakto lang. Tapos ako, guys, meron pa akong 3 araw.
Well?
Lagi naman akong ganun. Nag-extra ako talaga. Mga pang 2 to 3 days. You'll never know, matapunan ka, nag-extend ka, o kaya gusto mo ng another outfit. Gusto mo to, ang sarap mo. Ayun, cheese. Okay. Nakakatuwa kasi, for like 100 something lang, makakakain ka na ng iba't ibang klaseng cheese. Kasi sa atin, di ba, parang baka ganito ka, bibili ka ng mga pag 500. Di ba parang ang hassle, eh, hindi mo naman makakain lahat.
Facts.
My favorite brie. That. Ay, ang sarap. Kasi last piece na. Mana please? I decided to attend to this ramen class. Alam niyo bakit? Every time kakain ako ng ramen, mahilig ako sa sabaw, di ba? Mga soupy, anything. Gusto ko may hinihigop. Di ba? Ang hilig ko nga sa arroz caldo, sopa. Similarly with ramen and any other noodles na may sabaw. So every time kakain ako, naku-curious ako on how the broth is being made. Kasi iba-ibang klase yung broth ng ramen, di ba? Meron parang milky, tapos meron para namang clear, may oily, at saka maraming klase. Paano kaya ginagawa? Kasi di ba parang ang sarap, ang lasa. That's the reason. Sabi ko kay Hazel, B, gusto mo mag-class? Sabi niya, okay lang. Libre kita. Nung narinig ang libre, di ba? Ang bilis sumagot. Para kasing, di ba, si Jundian ganun. Pag may nakain siya, iniisip niya, paano to ginawa? Tapos itatry niya.
Ganun siya, ang weird.
So,
Pares kayo.
parang out of curiosity, gusto ko lang malaman Kasi di ba parang yung learning naman is a continuous process. Hindi naman kailangan bata ka para mag-aaral ka. While you are alive, aral-aral lang tayo pag may time.
Kaya pala nung bata ako, lahat palang inaral ko.
Oo, alam mo si Hazel.
Lahat ng instruments.
Ang aga ko siyang pinag-aral ng swimming. Pagkatapos, pinag-aral ko din siya ng voice lesson. Tapos, meron akong gustong song na gusto niyang kantahin. Kahit na sabi ng teacher, Mami, hindi kasi yun ang timbre ng boses ni Hazel. Pero kasi yan ang gusto ko nga. Alala mo
Oh
yun?
my God, kakahiya.
She's into dancing din. Mga hindi ako marunong. Ganun naman yung mga nanay. Ooh. So guys, yun na mo, Gcash po ang gamit namin.
But it's always worth explaining this, because if you Google ramen, they'll tell you it's 4 types. Yeah? Shoyu, shio, miso, and tonkotsu. It's not quite right. Yeah? These are your bases, your soup bases, and any of these 3 intermix with either of these 2. Yeah? For pork bones, bring your pot to boil, you put it in there, clean it for about half an hour, throw that water away, and then start again. It's about bone density, yeah? So if I had beef bones, they're a lot bigger, they'll be more like an hour and a half. Chicken bones, cold water only, just so you know, because the bones are tiny, it's more meat-based when it comes to hold it like this, yeah? Put it on the anvil, and just give it a good couple of whacks. You will be able to break it in half, like this, yeah? Yeah, once you broke it in half, please be careful. These bone fragments can be a little bit sharp, so just be careful. If you can do this one, please. There you go.
First time to do this!
Yeah.
This is the first time.
So open this. You know the word umami? Yeah.
Umami,
Japanese word,
yes.
Yeah. It's based on like MSG. This has natural MSG. The Japanese chemists that call this one's been overlooked. Yeah. The reason you take this out, yeah. This is going to be the white soup. Yeah, be careful. It's hot, so it will splash.
It will
don't
splash.
drop it. Alright.
Careful.
Just do it.
Slowly.
Slowly put it. Slowly put it. Alright, I'm gonna help you. To get lost. Oh, God. Very well. And I'm good. So might go up and down. There you go. Not at this stage, no. But there is when you put it through the machine. And make sure there's you're ready for it. That's alright.
Alright, perfect.
That's it, right?
And do it second time.
Mommy!
Very,
Like that.
Cornstarch,
Cornstarch,
not
yes.
flour.
No.
Wow! So fun!
This is now my ramen.
I'm so weak.
No, that's good, that's good.
Si Hazel has black noodles.
Then you know how this chicken is hit, so make sure there's nothing on it. Good luck. Hey, you can mix all that one in for me, please.
That's enough to get some good protection.
There you go. This is the game plan, yeah? So, get a very small amount, especially for your first one, just to make your life easier, yeah? You want to flatten it. Make sure there's no air pockets, otherwise you're giving room for steam. Get your finger, 1/2 only, dry your finger after that, yeah? Make your life easier, yeah? And then hold it like a tuck together. You see how we do it? Yeah?
Alright. So we're gonna.
And then want it nice and flat and curved as well. But can you see where all the folds are on one side and then it's nice and flat on the back? This is how it should look. So. Oh yeah, beautiful. Hey, beautiful.
Nakakaramdam na ako sa mga. Isipin niyo kung pinagawa nito kahit ko.
I will do this faster.
Have music.
Flip it over the sink.
I was expecting to squirt out water, so I pressed it, and it went.
Nice. Here. You're almost done.
Blood tracks water.
What happened? This is mine. I'm so sorry. I'm that student.
Nice, nice. I just want it to stay cool down.
The ramen broth.
There you go. Yeah, all the toppings behind you over there. Oh, thank you, thank you. Cheers. Oh, that's the soup I was looking for.
Hindi, bagay sa bag mo.
Gusto ko na umiyak pagkasama ko nanay ko kasi nauubos yung savings ko talaga.
Uy, magkakano lang yan. Guys, ang ganda oh. Tingnan nyo, cute. Cute. Ang ganda. Oh, yee. Ayun. Gusto din na, cute. Ano mga meron? So cute. Hazel, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Alphabet. Para saan to, anak? Antique yung finish. I like this, oh. Nanay ha, may suika na. Tatap mo lang yan dyan. Makakapasok ka na.
Kailan huli ng lahat?
Alam nyo guys, ang dami nang nangyari.
Ngayon lang kami nag-speak.
Ngayon lang kami nag-vlog. Hindi tayo nag-vlog sa taxi, no?
Hindi. Pero
Tapos,
smart move yun. Yung Meguro. Pag nasa Meguro kayo, tapos mag-Shibuya kayo, mag-taxi kayo kasi mas mura na yung taxi. Lalo na kung apat kayo.
na Hazel is saying, kasi kanina yung aming ramen class is in Meguro.
Wala
From
ng
Meguro, malapit na yun sa Shibuya. Instead, magti-train kayo, which mas advisable na mag-taxi na kayo. Especially kung 2 or more pa kayo. Mas save na kayo in time, in effort, in money.
Pamasahe mga nasa 340 yen pag-train. So kung apat kayo, 1,000 plus na agad. Eh yung taxi 1,700, 1,500 eh. It's not bad na yun.
Ayan, bumili ng Byredo.
Alam niyo ba may Byredo sa brand off? Nakita mo, di ba? Yung mga Byredo sa mura. Mas mura kaysa sa store.
Sabi ko, nakadalawa na akong fruit shake sa sobrang init dito.
Dalawa ba? Hindi ba tatlo?
Dalawa.
Tinubos mo kasi yung milk tea ko eh. So tatlo.
Oh.
Berries, yung mango,
Gusto mo.
tapos yung milk tea ko. Tapos kanina doon sa ramen, tapos hindi pa siyang orange juice.
Nakakataka dito sa Japan na ang init. Tapos wala magbili ng mga fruit shakes na madami. Yan na po ang aming service to airport, which we book via Klook.
Dumating na 2 maleta.
So, up to the airport, nakatulog ako ng konti. Bumiwanan ako. 1 hour, usually from the city center to Narita Airport. Tingnan ang staying.
This is Passenger Terminal 2.
As a sunset person ng mami niyo, nakikita niyo ba yan? Just sunset. Ay, yun! Bumababa na. Diba, ang ganda ng ilaw sa mukha ko kasi yung sunset nandito. Very nice. Sayonara. Giving naman ako pa.
How much pag ano?
2,988 per person.
Sarap naman ng kanilang noodles. Mushroom soup. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Sarap. Maasim ba?
May pagkasiligaw ko today.
Ay! Bakit nagkaganon? Ano yan, tom yum?
Sarap lumipit ng sabaw. Matanda na talaga ako. Kasi yung kape ko, hot na.
Hot coffee ka?
Oo, hot coffee ako lagi, di ba to?
Bakit?
Sa umaga. Ang weird, no? Free ice cream. Milk for me.
Chocolate for me for a change.
Watermelon for June.
Pagod ka na? Oh, good night ka na sa kanila.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys. Pagod na kami. As in, the time is, puyat na siya ng mami niyo for the longest time. 3:22 a.m.